Jai Jinendra. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tirthankar Vardhaman Gyan Sagar. I am Anjali Shah. I would like to tell you today about Jainism alphabetics. So I will start. Start with A. A is for Ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. When there are no stop light, a policeman tells us when to stop. He does this by holding up his hand. This tells us to stop. So ahimsa reminds us to stop and think before we do anything and to be sure that we do say or think does not get us in trouble. B. B is for bowing down. Bowing down means respect. We bow down to Siddha and Arihant Bhagwans. We also bow down to Acharyas, Upadhyayas and all monks and nuns. C. C is for charity. Charity means share what you have with others. Charity is when we give something to others without expecting anything in return. So remember that we should share our wealth with others by doing charity. D. D is for discipline. Donation means a state of order. Discipline is a very living our life to harmony with certain principles of guidelines. E. E is for evening prayer. Evening prayer should remind us to think or what we did today and should try to do better next day. Prayer can be done in the morning and in the evening. Prayer purify our soul and we should always do them in the morning and the evening. F. F is for forgiveness. Forgiveness means pardoning someone who may have done something bad to you. In Jainism, just ahimsa is the main goal, forgiveness is the main action. Just as ahimsa is a part of our life, forgiveness should also be part of our actions. G. G is for Gautam Swami. Gautam Swami was Lord Mahavir's first disciple. Gautam Swami was the most well-known Brahmin during the time of Lord Mahavira. He was also very arrogant. H. H is for help. Help means aiding somebody when he is in trouble. We should be helpful to anyone who needs support. We should not leave anyone out. I. I is for emotional. Emotional means eternal. All souls are emotional, but will, karmas are still attached to the souls. The souls occupy into various type of bodies like the humans and animals, the birds, plants, etc. J. J is for Jai Jinendra. Jai Jinendra means praise to the Jains. Just like we say hi or hello or namaste. When we meet others, we should also greet them by saying Jai Jinendra. Remember, always greet others by saying Jai Jinendra. K. K is for karma. Karma is the end of result of what we do. Every moment we do something physically, verbally or mentally, we do should remember that will we do things, we always get karmas. L. L is for Lesha. Lesha is the color of our thoughts. M. M is for Mahavira. Mahavira was our last and 24th Tirthankar. Lord Mahavira was born in 559 BC in the Kshatriya Kunj. His father was king of Siddhartha and his mother was Queen Trishala. N. N is for Navkar Mantra. Navkar Mantra is the most important prayer in Jainism. When we say the Navkar Mantra, we are praying our respect to the Arihant Bhagwans and Siddha Bhagwans, the Acharyas, the Upadhyayas, the monks and the nuns. O. O is for Om. Om is used during meditation. Om is a holy word used in the beginning of many prayers. Om is also used to set a tune for meditation. We also think that Om is like Navakar mantra. P. P is for Pathshala. Pathshala is the place where we learn about Jainism. We need to place to go to learn about our religion. A Pathshala is that place. Almost all Jain centers in North America have Pathshalas. So remember to go our Pathshala to learn more about Jainism. Q. Q is for Queen Trishala. Queen Trishala had 16 dreams after Lord Mahavira's soul entered her womb. Queen Trishala had 14 dreams when she was pregnant. Some scriptures mention Queen Trishala had 16 dreams. R. R is rosary. Rosary is used for meditation. Usually we say the Navakar mantra in the morning. And in the evening, some people say it 3 to 5 times, and some people say it 108 times. S. S is for Sadhu. Sadhu monk is a male religious leader. The sadhus are persons like us about, but they have voluntarily left the worldly life and have accepted 5 great vows as a code of conduct to purify his soul from karmas and in turn to uplift the soul. T. T is for temple. Temple is a place for prayer and worship. Temples are the place where Jains have the idols of their Jains. They go there to worship the Jina. U. Use for Upashraya. An Upashraya is a place of where sadhu or sadhiv stay. An upadhyaya is a very simple place with a big hall and a few rooms. V. V is for vow. Vow means promise. A vow is an earnest promise for pledge that binds one to a specified act or mode of behavior. W. W is for worship. Worship means to pray. The reverent love accorded to an idol, statue, deity, or sacred object is called worship. X. X is for xylography. Xylography is the art of making engravings in the wood. Y. Y is for yoga. Yoga means activities. As per Jainism, we do yoga in 3 different ways. We perform yoga by physical, verbal, or mental means. Z is Zalar. Zalar is the instrument. Zalar is used in the temple.